Hey, what's up, everyone? How's it going? Today I'll be doing a little pod review, or a pod test, I should say, of one of the peppers that was sent to me from Chris M. He can be found on Google Plus, and he does frequent the pepper lovers community. And I'll show you these little pods. Now, from what he told me, these are Bhut crossed with the bird pepper. And so he wanted me to try them, and so here we are. I did try one a little bit ago. It's a nice flavor, definitely a Bhut smell and taste, and along with some of that bird pepper flavor in there. Nice color, nice little shapes to them. All right, go ahead and get the bigger pepper. Let's see. Not very many seeds at all in this one. It does have that Bhut smell. Nice placental tissue. It really does have that Bhut type of scent in there. Really barely any seeds, which is a good thing. I mean, that's one of these peppers that doesn't really need many seeds. I mean, surprising because some of those bird peppers can tend to have quite a few seeds to them. But as I was mentioning, this does have that aroma of a Bhut and nice placental tissue lining the walls in here. Not a really super thick walled pod, but neither is the other one, or neither is either strains involved in this. The texture on the skin of this type of pod, or this pod, is interesting. Now, most, nearly all, or majority of the aspects of this cross, it does have that Bhut vibe to it with the flavor profile. And this one I can feel it trying to ramp up on my tongue. It is focusing on the tongue aspect a little more towards the back, going down the center of the tongue a lot, a bit on the roof of the mouth. Now, it does have a fruity aspect, and there is some sweetness, but there is that slight smoky profile that is from the Bhut. Now, the heat is a good strong heat. I know for a lot of people, this would be pretty hot. I mean, a lot of people I know, this would be really hot. I'm not saying it's not hot to me. I can feel the heat. But the thing is, makes this pleasant about this one is that is focusing more on the tongue. Not all over the place. I can feel it some on the sides of the mouth, but it is focusing more directly on the tongue. Now, as I'm breathing, I can kind of feel it ramping up a little bit. And I can appreciate this one. What I'm liking about this is it doesn't have many seeds at all. Or barely any seeds at all. Oh. And nice size placenta in there. Now this one is more juicy than the other one from the pot. Now the heat does kind of build, a slower build, a lot similar to a lot of Bhut I've tried. That's one thing a lot of ghost peppers are known for, as a slow build, but it doesn't always work that way. Sometimes they're quick builders, but they are known for creeping up with the heat. Because after I've been talking for a minute, the heat has been steadily rising. Now, it doesn't have a bad aftertaste. It's like it's got an even flavor. It kind of hangs around in there pretty well. And I think I am enjoying this one. This would be a nice strain to grow. I'm liking the feeling I'm getting right at the back of the tongue. Now it is making my mouth water, but at the same time it's not like the most killer of heat levels, but it is a good strong heat. Definitely burns more than habaneros, or most habaneros anyway. I am liking how it burns. It's got like the heat. As you eat more of this, the heat gets a little more around the mouth. But it stays mostly, for me right now, it's staying mostly on the tongue. It's getting a little on the sides of the cheeks. And I can feel a little on the gums. But my mouth is watering a bit. And this I can see people wanting to grow. It'd be a nice strain to have around. And I wanted to say, Chris, good job on this strain. And yeah, but if anybody's got any questions for methods of growth, anything like that, be sure to hit up Chris M on Google Plus. He is a member of the Pepper Lovers community, so you can find him there. And any more info you want on this, you'd have to talk to him about it. And yeah, I'm not sure if he's quite releasing this one or anything, but you'd have to talk to him. But yeah, the heat's still more evenly around right now. It's not getting any higher. At least I don't feel like it is right at the moment. But yeah, this is a nice tasty pepper. As I was saying, it does have the smoky aspects from a ghost or bujalokia, and then some fruity sweet tones in there. Not like highly fruity or fruity like, you know, an apple or strawberry or anything like that. It's just fruity. I mean, slightly fruity in the pepper aspect. And the heat, like I was just saying, is more localized on the tongue. But then as it spreads around, it gets a little more evenly. I'd say a good thumbs up on this one. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. And if you got any questions, comments, put in the section below. Please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thanks for watching. And, oh yeah, don't forget to keep it spicy. Peace out. Later.